Hi there. I just wanted to take a quick minute or two to talk about what this new rollover from quarter one to quarter two will look like in Canvas. So this morning, something new was rolled out and you might be starting to panic and go, oh my gosh, where did all my grades go? Please don't panic. This is what is happening. So because we are now in quarter two, your grades appear to be gone. And that's just because, you know, it's reflecting what is a live date in quarter two. So let's talk about how you can see and view the different dates. If I go up here to view and go to the drop down arrow and I click filters, if I go to grading periods, it's going to add this extra search filter box, and automatically quarter two pops up because it is a live date in quarter two. But if I want to go back to quarter one, bam, there they are, okay? In fact, this is actually a very helpful tool that you can use. If I go to view and filters, and if I would click assignment groups or modules, those search filters would also add up here. And then I could toggle in and just have only activities or only certain kinds of things. You can have as many of those boxes as we've enabled, so you can also search by modules. If you want to make that disappear, if that's too much, go back into filter and uncheck, and that will disappear. Okay, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, give me a call. Thanks. Bye.